Good afternoon, friends. This session is dedicated to all language lover, and today's discussion is on the topic cancer, a silent killer. Friends, there's no need to exaggerate the fact that cancer has become one of the most fatal diseases known to man. In the recent years, WHO has made an observation about the impact of the urban life on common human being, and it has been found that the urban population is more prone to cancer than rural population. Every 10th person in India is cancer prone due to the increasing use of pesticides and excessive amount of benzene in air. There are two important factors that attribute to the outbreak of cancer in common human being these days. One of the reasons that has come out due to the observation of the World Health Organization is the amount of benzene in the air is increasing day by day due to the use of pesticides and insecticides, and also due to the increasing pollution. Benzene amount of benzene in the air is increasing. This has given constantly a threat to the spread of cancer in the people in our country. The second most important reason is excessive use of pesticides and fertilizers. Particularly the vegetables and fruits are being you know protected you with the use of pesticides and some sorts of chemicals. So excessive use of pesticides and chemicals in food products and fruits and vegetable also lead to outbreak of cancer. And the use of tobacco and other drugs also contribute a lot to the spread of cancer. The youth are now drug addicted. They take drug like cocaine and some other sorts of harmful drugs. So because of this increasing intake of drug, the youth are also prone to cancer, and the middle aged population is also in the threat of cancer because of their lifestyle, overstretched lifestyle, sitting for long hours without having a change in the lifestyle, always getting stressed, working on computer for long hours or cell phones, because the highly radioactive waves on computer screen and cell phones also result in harmful radiations to the body, and that also results in some sort of cancer. But the most common causes of cancer is the excessive use of pesticides and the increasing amount of benzene in the air, and most importantly the sedentary lifestyle that the people have adopted. Even the youth are now in habit of sitting for long hours and working on computer and laptop and desktop. That also harm, because the radioactive waves that is on the cell phones and the other screens also result in penetrating into their body and causing cancer. And so we have to take preventive measures to curb this menace, and the first and foremost thing that the government should do is to have more and more diagnostic center at all hospitals, so that the cases of cancer can be detected at an early stage. If it is detected and diagnosed at an early stage, treatment is possible. Life can be prolonged if the patients are detected and diagnosed at the very early stage. So there is a need to create preventive measures at all the hospitals, and there is also need to have more and more cancer hospitals in our country, particularly at the semi-urban and urban areas. And also there is a need to create awareness among the people not to use so much of pesticides and rather go for organic manure. There is now that the farmers have shifted using organic manure instead of fertilizers and chemicals, because in the long run our soil is not going to sustain the fertility if we are constantly using chemical and fertilizers. So instead of using those pesticides, chemicals and fertilizers, we should switch on to the use of organic manure. And India is having more, possibility of creating organic manure at a very low cost, because Indian lands, and particularly the cow dung and the vegetable waste and all the garbages, can be recycled and can be created into compost and manure. And also the the chemical processing of organic manure can be easily possible in India, because the farmers have all the raw materials required for organic manure. They themselves can be trained and educated for this purpose. So in a nutshell, we can say that there is a need to have shift of use of organic manure instead of chemical fertilizers, and also to have more and more preventive measures for stopping the outbreak of cancer, particularly when we are having this healthy lifestyle. We are not being exposed to excessive benzene in the air. We are not being exposed to too much of pesticides and insecticides in the use of fertilizer, in the use of agriculture. The farmers should be trained not to use excessive pesticides and insecticides in agricultural land, particularly in fruits and vegetables, growth of fruits and vegetables. They should avoid using these chemicals and fertilizers. And now there is a need to go for organic manure in agriculture. This will also save us from the threat of the ever increasing cancer. And the lifestyle of the people overall should be changed. They should have active lifestyle. They should perform yoga every day and asanas, and they should also perform some physical exercise to remain physically fit and mentally alert, and avoid unnecessary stress in life, because stress is also going to be one of the causes of sleeplessness, and too much of sleeplessness also results into spread of cancer. So these are the important things that we wanted to discuss for your benefit. Thank you. Have a nice day.